So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if you're facing the issue of in the Python that the module is not found or something like that. Now in order to fix that, all you need to do is to just simply run the command prompt on your Windows devices. Once you run it here, you need to type this prompt, that is pip install, and just right after it you need to give a space and type the name of the module that says it's not found. Let's say for example, if I type matplotlib, once I do it and hit enter, you'll notice that once you're connected to the Wi-Fi, it has started to download that specific module. Currently it's saying that I'm not connected to the internet. You need to connect to the internet to get the module, and once you do it, restart your Python, and you'll notice that you just need to import that particular module and you're good to go. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.